Welcome to Harland Property Management, a San Diego-based property management firm. Today we're going to walk you through the essential steps of turning over an apartment and how we make the apartment make-ready process smooth and efficient for property owners. So, what is an apartment turnover? It's the period between one tenant moving out and a new tenant moving in. During this time, we conduct inspections, repairs, and cleaning to get the unit ready for the next occupant. A well-managed turnover helps keep your rental income steady and reduces the time your property remains vacant. Here's how we handle a turnover. We begin with a detailed inspection to identify any damages or repairs needed. Comparing this with pre-move-in photos helps us catch everything that needs attention. Next, we take care of minor repairs like patching holes and painting walls, and tackle larger projects such as updating appliances or flooring if needed. Lastly, we perform a deep clean. This involves scrubbing floors, shampooing carpets, and sanitizing all surfaces to restore the unit's condition. When it comes to specifics, we check several key aspects. If there are any scratches or holes, we refresh the paint and fix any damage. For the floors and carpeting, we inspect and either clean or replace them based on their condition. Appliances are another important area. We test each one to see that is working properly and replace any that aren't. Plumbing and fixtures are also checked for leaks and water damage, and we make necessary repairs to prevent future issues. Electrical systems are also inspected. We make sure all outlets, switches, and lighting are functioning correctly. Windows and doors are tested to make sure that they open, close, and lock securely. Finally, we check all safety features. This includes verifying that smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and fire extinguishers are operational so that the unit is safe for the next tenant. At Harland Property Management, we handle every detail of the turnover process, making sure your unit is ready for new tenants quickly and efficiently. Ready to simplify property management? Contact us today and let us prepare your rental unit for its next occupant.